How to use the Grabfood Voucher code. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Grabfood Voucher code. Firstly, open the Grab mobile application. Then, you'll be asked to set your location. After that, select the food you want to order. You can also customize your order by adding drinks and side orders to it. Once you're done, tap on the Add to Basket button. Next, select your address for delivery. After that, scroll down and tap on Use Offers to get discounts. Then, you'll be asked to add the voucher code that you want to use for this order. After that, your order will be confirmed. That's how you can use the Grabfood Voucher code. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.